In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain to your Wix site from start to finish. We'll move step by step so you know exactly what to click, what to choose, and how to confirm everything is working. Start in your Wix site dashboard. Once you've wrapped up the basic setup, click Done, then select Connect your domain. Wix will open the domain connection page where you can either buy a new domain through Wix or transfer one you already own. Next, choose your domain name. In the domain field, type the address you want, like your brand.com. If it's already taken, Wix will suggest alternatives such as different extensions or similar names. Try simple variations like adding a dash or including a clear keyword that describes what you do. Aim for something short, easy to spell, and easy to type. Avoid numbers and special characters when possible, and consider placing your main keyword near the start for better SEO clarity. Once you find an available option you like, click Get It. You may see choices to get the domain free with a premium plan, or to transfer if you already own it elsewhere. Choose what fits your situation and click. Continue to proceed. You'll land on the upgrade screen. Wix offers a 14-day money-back guarantee, and upgrading removes Wix-branded ads, gives you a custom domain, and unlocks 24/7 support. For personal sites and portfolios, the Lite or Core plan is a great place to start. If you plan to sell products and accept payments, pick Business Basic or a higher business tier with full e-commerce features. For this walkthrough, I'll choose the Core plan on a monthly basis. Now complete your subscription. Select monthly or yearly billing, enter your payment method, and add your billing address. Click Checkout. After a few seconds, you'll see a confirmation that your site is on the plan you selected. With your plan active, it's time to buy and connect the domain. Choose the term, such as 1 year or longer. The basic privacy option is usually sufficient, and you can skip extra protection add-ons if you prefer. Click Continue, confirm payment, and let Wix register and start connecting the domain to your site. This can take up to about 30 minutes, though older setups can occasionally take up to 48 hours. Finally, test your domain. Open a new browser tab, type your new address, and press Enter. If the connection is complete, your site will load under your custom domain. If you see a site not found message or Wix branding, wait a bit longer, refresh, and double check that your site is published and the domain is assigned and showing as connected. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.